In a significant meeting that could shape India's future in technology, Prime Minister Narendra Modi sat down with Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang. During this pivotal meeting, the Prime Minister highlighted India's vast potential in the world of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to expand rapidly with innovations like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Nvidia has emerged as a crucial player in this booming field. Nvidia's GPUs have become indispensable for AI companies, giving them a competitive edge. The result? Nvidia's shares have surged, recently reaching the remarkable $1 trillion market cap. India is now being recognized as a key player in the global AI ecosystem. Major tech giants like SAP, Adobe, IBM, and Microsoft are setting up cutting-edge AI solutions right here in India. Adobe's India teams are leading the way, developing next-gen AI-ready solutions and global products from India. Microsoft is also at the forefront, with its India teams driving research on efficient AI solutions. From pioneering global solutions to groundbreaking AI research, India is making its mark on the world stage. As the world embraces the power of AI, India stands poised to play a leading role in shaping its future.